Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to customize caption size in hearing accessibility options for Realme 14 Pro phone. How to increase size of the captions, how to decrease it, where to find it. So settings first. Next we need to go to accessibility and convenience, then accessibility. Next we need to tap the hearing tab at the top, and here we have our caption preferences. First of all, we need to have our captions on using the switch right here. And here we have a few options: language, size, and caption style. We are interested in the size, so we have this demonstration at the top. An example: we can have the very small, it will be almost invisible on the screen right here, or we can have the large option and everything in between. And that's pretty much it. Goodbye.